Horizon, and it's art school. Officially art school, boy, you're more excited.
Amplitude loud and frequency may be soft, but yet frequency is a higher pitch. What is a pitch? What is octave? You know, and so from a research scientist perspective, I battled with the conundrum of, I felt obligated to learn music. I had to learn music because I felt like to truly encapsulate a phenomena as a whole, you have to embrace every facet of its enigma. So I didn't just want to understand sound from a linguistics perspective or just have a deep-seated understanding of sound from a physics perspective. I need to understand music. I need to understand that would expand like bubble.
So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates in nature. You know, intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the sound propagates. So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum. So what is the disparity? What is the correlation? What is the relationship between amplitude and frequency?